Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and in this session we are going to discuss a set of words with you from an article right here. This is an extremely fresh article, and if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel for regular sessions with us, whether it's for vocabulary and other stuff that we provide, you guys should subscribe it right away. Guys, the headline for today's article is Green over Brown on India's climate goals. Now, when we're talking about climatic conditions or our country's climate goals, what it wishes or what it wants pertaining to climatic conditions is what we're going to discuss. What is green and what is brown here, you will come to know here in the article itself. India's climate goals are on track, but future investments must be sustainable. Sustainable is an adjective, okay? It means something that is stable, or you can say something that's organized. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं सतत. तो कोई चीज़ जो कि स्टेबल है, मतलब काफ़ी हद तक सफिशिएंट है, उस चीज़ की कमी नहीं है, या वो एक कंटिन्यूस रूप से परसिस्टेंट है, उस चीज़ में कोई गिरावट या कोई कमी नहीं आ रही है, मतलब वो अपनी पेस से सही चल रहा है सब काम. इंडिया asserted that is, assert is to state, सिंपल सा वर्ड है which means to state, कहना, ठीक है, या कोई बात जो है अपना कथन किसी के सामने रखना. India asserted at the virtual Climate Ambition Summit, co-convened. Convene, guys, convene is a verb which means to meet. Alright? It means to meet, जैसे किसी को बुलाना for meeting, or to, in Hindi you can also say milna. Alright? By the UN to mark 5 years of the Paris Agreement, that it is well on its way to not just fulfilling its national pledge on emissions reduction, but exceeding the commitment. So UN has actually convened all the nations, okay, and it is to mark the completion of 5 years of Paris Agreement. And when in this meeting, major motive was first to pledge, to fulfill that, to show that it has fulfilled the pledge of emission reductions in different nations, also to exceed the commitment that had been made already. The performance outlined by the Prime Minister. Outline is a verb which means summarized. कहते हैं ना, एक संक्षेप में कोई बात को समझाना, ठीक है, that is outline. So the performance outlined by Prime Minister Narendra Modi rests primarily, that is majorly, प्रधान रूप से या प्रथम रूप से, on the estimated present reduction of emissions intensity by 21% over 2005 levels. The goal is between 33 and 35% of GDP by 2030. Guys, this is this is the target set. And if you see, यहाँ पर इस verb को qualify करता हुआ ये adverb आया है, और जिस verb को adverb qualify कर रहा है, आप देख रहे हो उसके बाद लिखा हुआ है rest primarily. They played well. Well is again an adverb, play के लिए आया है. Okay. So this is the target that I was telling you, and the twin pillars of the renewable energy and higher forest cover. Higher forest. So what are they looking forward to? They're looking forward to all of these 2030. They want to they have set the target that they would achieve almost 33 to 35% of GDP. This is the target limit that they have set. Secondly, they want to increase the forest cover. Plantation बढ़ानी है, right? और इसलिए कहा जाता है कि आप जितने ज़्यादा प्लांट्स रख सकते हैं, या फिर प्लांट, यू कैन प्लांट ट्रीज if that's possible for any one of us, we should do that. We should actively participate to preserve and save our environment, which in turn will give us pleasant climate, right? So that is what has been pledged here as well by different nations. सो ग्रीन या ओवर ब्राउन इज कि हम फॉरेस्ट कवर को बढ़ाएं और एमिशंस को नीचे करें, राइट? तो ब्राउन इज द स्मोक, ग्रीन इज द प्लांट्स, ट्रीज. Further, it has been said, indeed. Now see, this is a connector. ऐसा कनेक्टर वर्ड और ये एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि हाँ सहमति एक्सप्रेस करता है. क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है? सहमति. सो कनेक्टर है एंड एनी पैसेज और any writing or even speaking as well, we tend to use connectors to make our speaking and writing fluent, like smooth. It comes like that things are connected, well connected. The emissions gap report, guys, this is important. maybe current affairs के perspective से आपको पूछा जा सकता है कि ये किस लिए होती है. The emissions gap report 2020 of the UNEP includes India among 9 G20 members who are on track to achieve their unconditional commitments. What is unconditional? It is an adjective, first of all, and unconditional means without any conditions. So there are no conditions. के हिंदी में हम कहते हैं बिना शर्तों के. कोई शर्तें नहीं है पर और इंडिया अमंग G20 मेंबर्स में 9 लोगों के उस 9 के ग्रुप में आता है जो कि अपनी कमिटमेंट्स को अचीव करने के बिल्कुल ट्रैक पर हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर आवर कंट्री. समवेयर वी आर अहेड. अंडर द पेरिस पैक्ट, बेस्ड ऑन द प्री COVID-19 प्रोजेक्शंस, जो इसके पहले ना कोविड के पहले के जो एस्टिमेशंस थे या जो भी एक कहते हैं ना फ्यूचर प्रिडिक्शंस थे, उसके अनुसार इंडिया इज ऑन दिस ट्रैक. सिग्निफिकेंटली. अच्छा, एक और पॉइंट मैं समझाना चाहती हूँ. यहाँ पर कमिटमेंट नाउन था और कैसी कमिटमेंट है? अनकंडीशनल कमिटमेंट्स हैं, एडजेक्टिव है, इसको नाउन को क्वालिफाई करा है. तो किस तरह से यूज़ होता है देखिए. अगर कभी क्लोज पैसेज में फिलर आ जाता है अनकंडीशनल के नाम से, यू शुड नो कि कमिटमेंट्स है मतलब इसके बारे में कुछ कहा गया है, हो सकता है यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव की ज़रूरत हो. सो यू कैन देन डिटेक्ट, यू सी द कॉन्टेक्स्ट मैटर्स अलॉन्ग साइड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो मैटर्स. Let's go ahead now. Significantly, the G20 bloc as a whole, responsible for 78% of the greenhouse gas emissions, that is GHG, was not expected to meet its pledges. It was not expected that this is going to happen. But some countries and the EU group as a group announced higher ambition at the summit. तो अभी क्या किया उन्होंने? अपने एमिशंस को बढ़ा दिया है. बिकॉज पहले लग रहा था दैट दे वोंट बी एबल टू अचीव थिंग्स, बट क्योंकि उन्होंने कर लिया है काफ़ी हद तक, दे आर ऑन ट्रैक. सो सम नेशंस हैव इंक्रीज्ड देयर एम्बिशंस. द ब्रीफ रिडक्शन in global GHG emissions brought about by the pandemic has given all countries an opportunity to review their development trajectories. Trajectory is a noun. What is trajectory? It is noun subject. It means path. एक जो कहते हैं ना, एक रास्ता या एक जो राह होती है, पथ जो मैं कहूँगी, हम फॉलो करते हैं किसी चीज़ की तरफ बढ़ने के लिए, या जो एक प्लान बेस्ड जो रास्ता हम बनाते हैं सोच के, दैट इज ट्रैजेक्टरी. तो when because amid pandemic what happened, things stopped, like everything came to a standstill, right? That's, we all agree to it. Because of that, because there were no vehicles on the road for a long span of time and across the globe, because this is a pandemic, right? So the global emissions, they just dropped completely. Okay, not completely, but to some extent it dropped. And this particular thing has given immense opportunity to various nations that they can quickly work on the developing strategies, how to develop their own country amid all this. If something good has happened, if this has come to, let's say 5% also it has dropped, then how can we make it 10, 20 and 30, right? The unprecedented event, guys, unprecedented is also an adjective which means कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो अभूतपूर्ण है. अभूतपूर्ण का मतलब जो ना पहले देखा ना कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है. The unprecedented event has enabled them to deploy an extraordinary fiscal stimulus. Stimulus is noun Guys, I'm going to wipe off the screen and explain it to you. So here if you see stimulus, stimulus is a noun subject. Alright. Stimulus means an act or an action that gives मोटिवेशन और encouragement. ओके जैसे एक कैटलिस्ट का काम करते हैं, उत्तेजना देते हैं वो, ठीक है, उत्तेजना प्रदान करना, करने वाला, उसको हम स्टिमुलस कहते हैं, जो हमें एक तरीके की प्रेरणा दे देता है कि हाँ जी अब हम इसको करते हैं. तो वो एक एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी स्टिमुलस हो गया है ये जो अनप्रेसिडेंटेड इवेंट है, एमिशंस में जो ड्रॉप आया है वो. For rehabilitation of economies. Rehabilitation is noun which means renovation, renewal. Economies को पूरी तरह से बदल देना, नया बना देना, एक नया रूप देना, जिसको हम कहते हैं okay, I'm going to write here. पुनर्वास. तो वो पूरी तरह से उसको चेंज करके हम उसको नया बना सकते हैं. Estimated at $12 trillion globally, this is the amount, making green growth a possibility. India faces a particular challenge. Now, what is the challenge that our country faces in moving its pandemic rehabilitation spending away from traditional brown sector policies aligned with fossil fuels used to green territory? So, see, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स और ये सब जो है वो ब्राउन कैटेगरी में आते हैं, ग्रीन कैटेगरी में आते हैं प्लांट्स एंड जो हम अपनी ग्रीन ग्रोथ की बात कर रहे हैं एनवायरनमेंट की. तो इंडिया अभी इस स्टेट में थोड़ी सी इट इज़ इन डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हाउ टू मैनेज बोथ, हाउ टू बैलेंस बोथ. Further, the writer says, at the recent summit, Mr. Modi took credit for expansion of forests, which, according to the national pledge under the Paris Agreement, will serve as a carbon sink of 2.5 billion to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent by 2030. So this is the sink that we are talking about. Ye estimation, this is an estimation made. एक तरीके का आभास हम लगा रहे हैं कि भाई फ्यूचर में ऐसा होगा, इतने अमाउंट से हम 2030 तक इट विल ड्रॉप. दिस इज अ की गोल given that it has multiple benefits, protecting biodiversity, influencing the climate system, and providing resources for communities. So the key goal is that you protect the biodiversity, we are influencing the climate system in a positive way, okay, definitely for betterment, and we are providing required or necessary resources to the varied communities of the nation. So ये एक की गोल रहेंगे. But it is fraught with uncertainty. Fraught is an adjective or okay, which means full of, भरा हुआ या भरपूर आप कह सकते हो. तो अनसर्टेनिटी से भरपूर है ये चीज. The center has questioned the veracity. Veracity is noun, guys, which means truthfulness, सच्चाई किसी चीज की, right? तो अभी स्टेट एफॉरेस्टेशन डेटा की वेरासिटी की बात की जा रही है. दे आर आस्किंग फॉर इट, हैज क्वेश्चन एंड सेड ओनली 1/4 of the claims they made were deemed credible. अभी तक there were just 4 of the claims that seemed that they are worthy enough, they are right, they are proved. Clearly, without a cohesive policy, that is comprehensive policy on verifiable afforestation. Verifiable, again an adjective which means approved. ठीक है, जो कि जायज़ है. The carbon sink approach may yield poor dividends, which questions hanging over the spending. So if the carbon emission or the carbon sink causes poor dividends, not good returns or not something better, then definitely we have to face more financial losses. Achieving 100 gigawatts of solar power capacity within the overall renewable goals from 36 gigawatts now needs a steep scale up. Steep, that is extreme, Okay, and that must actively promote rooftop solar installation. So we have to promote the solar installations rooftop, because so that we can increase the solar power capacity. Okay, and the renewable energy, if we are using, then the use of all the like fossil fuels for electricity generation, all these coal and petroleum, we can cut down on it, right? We can make it like green growth that we're talking about. The writer also added there's little evidence. Evidence is noun which means a proof. किसी चीज़ का सबूत. So there's little evidence, बहुत इस चीज़ का सबूत है ही नहीं that this is high priority for most states. Green growth. Transport related emissions, which are a major component of the whole, have risen sharply in the unlock phase of the pandemic as people prefer personal vehicles. But the issue received little support from states which failed to reorder cities for cycling and pedestrianization. कह रहे हैं कि पैंडेमिक में एक जो नेगेटिव चीज़ हुई है वो ट्रांसपोर्ट रिलेटेड एमिशन रहा. क्यों? बिकॉज पैंडेमिक के वजह से लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, जो पर्सनल व्हीकल्स हैं उसका यूसेज बहुत बढ़ गया. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट गवर्नमेंट भी या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स भी फेल हो गए लोगों को साइकिलिंग और पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन का मतलब पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन का मतलब पैदल जो चलते हैं उसको, तो इन चीज़ों को वो भी एम्फसाइज नहीं कर पाए. आप किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते अमिड ऑल ऑफ दिस दैट इज हैपनिंग नाउ. Large scale agriculture insurance against climate disasters also needs attention. ओके इस चीज़ के भी ध्यान देना होगा. जो एग्रीकल्चर इंश्योरेंस है, क्लाइमेट अगर ख़राब होता है देन लोगों का फसल ख़राब हो रहा है या फिर अगर अच्छा है तो उनको बेनिफिट मिल भी रहा है कि नहीं, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नोट. In the year that remains before countries meet at the UN Climate Change Conference in Glasgow in 2021. Okay, in the year. Okay, this remember in 2021 where we are going to meet at Glasgow. India needs to focus on future emissions and plan green investments that qualify for global climate funding. Okay, that this is what it is looking forward to. This is what the writer suggests that it should look forward to, that is green investments more and more and improve the environment. It is talking about green growth, so should dedicate itself completely to this. So this is the article based on the climate conditions and the possibilities and the need that we have to work on. And these are the words that I had to discuss with you guys this morning. I hope you guys have a good start to the day, and I am going to definitely share the list of the words there, and it is on the site. You guys can go to the link given in the description and you can get that. I shall see you in the next session soon with something new and definitely new words. Guys, remember the list that we share, it has synonyms and antonyms. It also has example sentences for you to understand the words better. Thank you so much guys. If you haven't subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it and please like and share the video. Thank you so much.